guys, RB the Garden Nanny. I wanted to share that I have this hummingbird feeder from Kingsyard as a review, and I really have not really had a lot of time to get it out, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and try to get this out so that you can see what type of feeder it is and make a decision on your own if this is something that you would be interested in. So I'm going to open up the box, show you the one that I chose. They had a lot of different feeders, and this is the one that I chose. I already have some feeders that my hummingbirds, which I call all of them Tony, just been doing this ever since my boys were little. It was just a name they gave them and it stuck. So I have a red one and I have a purple one, but I don't have one that looks like this. And I did see this at a friend's house, and I thought, you know, I will give it a try, and it's really, really pretty. So let me show you what I got. Isn't that pretty? I mean, anything with flowers on it, I thought that was really, really pretty. It sits on this little base. And of course, the hummingbirds, they will drink the nectar from these cute little red flowers. There's two hooks. Not sure why I have two, but there are two hooks. Oh, I see why. I see why. One of the hooks is going to be put on this little cup area. There is a, you just screw it on to the top. That sits on the shepherd's hook. The second hook will screw in on the bottom. And that is how it's going to look as it hangs from the shepherd's hook. And so what I'm going to do is fill this up with the liquid that I make for Tony and his family. So my hummingbird liquid nectar consists of 3 cups of water and 1.5 cups of sugar. What I do is put all of that liquid into a bowl, put it in the microwave for 5 minutes, and then I put it in a mason jar, put it in the refrigerator, let it cool, and then when it's all cool, I will put it in, not all of it because it will not all fit in here, but I will fill this up as much as I can. Maybe what I'll do is just halfway, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with the liquid that I've already have prepared in the refrigerator, and then I'm going to go put this out and you see what happens in my yard with all the hummingbirds enjoying their new feeder. Isn't it pretty? Very, very pretty. So let's go take it outside. As you can see, the hummingbirds are in their playful mood. So I'm gonna see what happens when I remove their old feeder and replace it with this new one. Oh, they're all over the place. Obviously, bird watching is something that you have to really be patient with, especially with a new feeder. But they were enjoying it. Look at the flowers on this feeder. I'm definitely going to have to fill it up even more. I was just testing the waters, and they seem to really like it. And I saw one of them actually looking at the little pictures on they are so fun to watch. All right, that is this video. If you are interested in getting your own, I will have the link in the description box. They are behind me chattering up. It's in the link in the description box, and you can get a discount on your own. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm putting it back. Enjoy.